bit. All right, straighten it out. Straight back. All right. All right, come on, straight back. All right, cut it to your right just a little bit. All right, straighten it up. All right, hold on. See, that's what I'm saying. This door is going to be right here. Yeah. Let me, I might have to have you cut it that way just a little bit. Let me see. Let's go forward. All right, straighten it up. Straight back. Straight back, straight back, straight back. Just so we get this door open. Alright, hold on. So hey, I'm gonna use this scuff stuff, and what it is around this area where we're gonna leave the paint on here, and just a little bit past where its top is gonna be. I want to scuff this. Now it's best to use a gray pad instead of the red. But it's such a small area, you won't, it ain't gonna really matter, you know, and I don't have any gray pads. You use the red, all it is really for body, for when you are doing the body work, because when you're doing the body work, if you were scuffing rid of red pad in the area that you want to be smooth, it could show up through the paint up under the primer. But by me scuffing it with the red pad, it just means that if I have to buff this area, you just have to buff a little more than you normally would do, which is really no big deal. But I'm not trying to go too far down on his paint here. Hopefully I can keep it right where the top is gonna go, but this way it's gonna make sure that my paint sticks to the paint up under here. Alright, so you see how it's dull here? That's all you're looking for. You just want to dull this area up here. See that? I got a little bit more right here to hit. But I just want to take my time because I don't want to bust through on these edges at all, guys. Like it's an edge right here, the top might end right there, but I don't want to bust through at all, guys. All right, and you see, I'm going to just come across. I could get a piece of tape, which I probably do, and make sure I just scuff right up to that tape line, guys. Even though the top is going to cover all of this up. So that's all I'm trying to do right now, guys, is dull this up. And then I'll come all the way up through here, dulling all of this up, and I'll repaint, and then I'm going to just let it kind of blend down, like right in here. I'm not even going to paint this whole surface here, because I would have to tape and tape and tape to stop any blow-by from spraying out and getting on the surface here. And if it did that, then I would have to wet sand slightly with like 5,000 grit and rebuff it out, and I don't want to have to be going through all of that. So I'm gonna just do a slight bend here, slight blend here, and it'll be fine, guys. All right. let you finish drying. Dry down as much as you can. Just keep drying, especially not really worried about all of this. Just really
around it.
We're going to be taping it. Just make sure that's nice and clean.
Gotcha.
And let's pour these materials out of here.
Okay. I had him give me some touch-up paint too, and I had him put some in the aerosol can for the future, you know, just in case.
Here, come see if you can grab this out of here.
All right.
Okay. Well, the door was missing. I didn't want the door to...
Oh, okay.
So they said the gray is best for that, huh?
Yeah, uh-huh.
All right.
Talking about the base coat, right? The base coat?
What now? He shook it up for you too, right?
Yeah, uh-huh. Yep.
All right. So once you think it's dry, let's tilt this over here. It's falling over it.
Okay.
It's just tilted on this side. All right. And so I'm gonna give you the tape and the plastic. I see you was taping, so you're going to be able to figure this out. While I'm doing this other stuff, what I'm going to have you do, you're going to have to guesstimate. That's all I normally do. And you look at how big of a sheet. And the same way I did back then. Now when it's dry, this got to be taped up too. I'm just trying to let it dry.
All right.
But and you gotta make sure that this tape is really down on there, because that overspray will get in and around everywhere.
Okay.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So make sure. Alright. So then, where's my razor blade? It's just taping, but believe it or not,
oh yeah, I understand.
People don't realize that your taping is one of the more important things.
Yeah, I've gotten cars back from the shop bad and I cussed them out.
Yeah, but see, like the taping, well, you know, even the taping, like around here.
Yeah.
If you don't tape that right,
It's gonna get in there.
well, it'll be all on your trim.
Right.
You know, you see cars with, so. Alright, so in other words, what you're gonna do, what I like to do, is really, you ain't gonna have to worry about this, because plastic is gonna come all the way around this. So normally I would have to tape the window. But just in this area, I can do like this. And I cut a little section off.
Okay.
the back of the razor blade. See, I don't want this lifting up at all, guys, because if it lifts up, I'm really going to be in trouble. But your taping is one of the most important things when you're spraying, because you don't want overspray all on your trim. So you want to make sure that all your edges is good. Put it towards the grip a little bit. Alright, that looks good.
This end came loose right here. Oh, okay.
Alright, I guess that's down too far.
Good right here?